the life-changing tape method that I was shown years ago by a professor. So here it goes. If you have a piece of paper and your paper is too small for your drawing board, or you're working on a desk and you've been using clips, but when you go to clip it up, it only clips one side. You also run into the problem where your clips are covering up a part of your artwork, and what can be frustrating about that is they could dent it, or you can even pull them up as high as you can get, and then they pop off. All you need is some tape, and it could be painter's tape or it could be masking tape, because I have a trick. First, you got to figure out where you want your paper to be. I suggest where you can easily reach it. Then you need a couple pieces of tape. I'm using 2, but you can use more, and you're going to curl them up and de-stickify them on your shirt. This is awesome to make masking tape less sticky. Next, you're going to tape the tape towards the inside area of your drawing, so not exactly on the corners, and you're going to place your drawing where you want it to be. Once you have it positioned, pat it down gently, and then we're going to do the tape trick around each corner. I call it taping the tape to the tape. You need 3 pieces of tape. So 1 tape is going to go stick the paper, and 2 are to hold it down to the board. You'll see what I mean in a second. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put 2 pieces to the side, and that 3rd piece, you're going to take it and you're going to de-stickify it on your shirt or your pants. I'm using my overalls. Once it's fuzzy, I don't know if you can see the fuzzies, you're going to place it behind the corner of your paper so that 2 tabs stick out the outside edges. Then you're going to take these sticky tape and tape the tape to the tape. Make sure the tape does not go over your drawing, just like that. So that corner is done. So you can pull it off and check and push it back. Do not smash it in there and it won't tear. Then go to the next corner. You'll need 3 pieces of tape. Put 2 to the side. Then that 3rd one, you're going to de-stickify. See the fuzzies? And then you're going to stick it on the corner with the tabs hanging out. So it has to hang out both sides. Then you're going to tape the tape to the tape. And it doesn't matter if the tape is perfect. All you have to do is make sure the tape is taped to the tape and your drawing is not covered up. So go into the next corner. I got my 3 pieces of tape. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to de-stickify it on my jeans. Make sure it has fuzzies. If it's not sticky enough, you can check it and you can de-stickify it more, or you can go ahead and tape it just like that. Then take the tape and tape it to the tape. Sometimes your tape will get a crinkle or be over your drawing. Just carefully remove it. Do not leave it. Carefully remove it and reposition it. It's done. Tape the other side and then move on. Last corner, got my 3 pieces of tape. And I'm going to de-stickify that last piece for the last corner. And get my fuzzies and stick it on the back of my drawing. Then I take the last 2 pieces right over the top of that one, making sure not to cover up my drawing. And I got 1 down. You can even smooth out your drawing and make it lay more flat. Tape the other side, and then we're good to go. There is one last step before we can fully enjoy this. And we have to go back to the middle and remove those first 2 pieces that we put just to hold up our paper. So I'm taking them off the back. If you forget to do this, you'll realize later on that they're back there. So don't forget. And so there you go. Tape is all ready to go. I have all my 4 corners done. And what we'll do is we can go back and reposition our artwork. Ta-da! Now, the beauty of this is if you don't smash it down, you can pick it up, remove it, adjust it, put it back, and say like you don't have it perfectly aligned, okay? And you mess up and you get it off. Just remove it easily. Don't rip it. Just pull it off gently and then reposition. Super duper easy. Highly recommend it. It has been life-changing for me, and I use it all the time. So one of my tripods actually was my vacuum cleaner, and I have my gooseneck attached to it, and it worked very, very well. Highly recommend.